Please subscribe my channel Current Technical News and press bell icon to get notification of my next videos.
Hello friends, I am Amitabha Poddar and welcome you to my channel Current Technical News. And today I am going to present what? Yes, today I am going to unboxing this LG 20-inch monitor, and its monitor has some specialty. And what is this? And it is a wall mount. You can attach it in your wall and use it to show various purpose. You can use it for your computer and also the TV. And one thing is the most important, it has the Hdmi port, and through this way is a LG 20-inch monitor. It has Hdmi port, and through this way you can watch 2K and 4K video very well. And though it is HD monitor, but you can use it to edit your video for YouTube and for other purpose. And I will show its picture quality also, and today I will unboxing and show its picture quality also, and you will totally realize what's its picture quality. 2K and 4K video also I will play it. And if you want to take a monitor for editing purpose and your budget is very lower than 6,000, that's why you can take it easily and use it for various purpose. Till now, if you not subscribe channel, please subscribe my channel, and I will provide lots of interesting and technical video. And so let's start today.
Forever free.
Yes friends, this is the main monitor. Now I'm going to open and unboxing this, and you can see properly. Just cut. Yes, just cut its upper side, and just try to open it and open it. Okay, stop. It's a HD figure shape and wall mount and on-screen control. Lots of things are present in this monitor, and it is a LG monitor 20-inch and 49 semi. You can easily use it in your wall, and its the price is here written. It is a 8,800, but it is below 6,000. You can take it. It's the LG symbol is here everywhere, and below 6,000 this is a absolutely good monitor. It's the LG symbol is here, and there's a 20-inch LG monitor. And yes, just now we can open it, and just cut it. Cut this side. Yes, cut this side. Yes. Volume. Yes. Now you can see, and this is the monitor main, and it's a adapter. This is a power adapter. Just open it. Power monitor. Just cut it. Okay, just cut it. Use a scissor to cut it. No. Use a scissor. To cut it. Yes. Use a scissor. Okay, cut it. Yes. Now you can see it is a adapter. And also the HDMI cable is present here. Its quality is absolutely very good. HDMI cable, and through this way you can display 2K and 4K video also, and you can show 2K and 4K video also. And it is a stand, and yes, it is a stand, and it's the plate. Why I have to put this stand? Just open this. Yes, just open its cover, total cover. Yes, this, and it is a plate also. Just open this plate, and yes, through this way. Yes, this way you have to input this into the plate and tight this screw. Yes, I also show you how you will use it. Okay, let's move to the main things. This is the monitor, and just open, and yes, this is the main monitor. you can see properly. Yes, just open it. Okay, just try to open it. Okay, yes, this is the main monitor. You can see properly, and yes, just open its cover, total cover. Okay, now you can see, yes, there's a LG logo is here, and there's a 20-inch. It's a matte finished display, and behind it is a VGA port. VGA port is present, the sound card, and HDMI port, and it is a adapter port. This is the most important adapter port. And above this, there is it is a stand port. You have to use, and here you can use it for wall mount. This is the port. You can use it for wall mount. And there is VGA port, sound port, HDMI port, and this is the on-off switch on-off. Bottom is here, and yes, now you can see properly. It is a 20-inch LG monitor. Yes, properly you can see properly. Now I'm showing how you will connect it with the stand with your monitor. And yes, your stand is here, and now you have to input this stand here. And okay, yes, everything is okay. Now just input your stand. Just help me. Yes, input your stand, and two screw here. You will find two screw inside the box, and just plug this two screw. Just try this two screw with any screwdriver. And yes, just try it. Just try it. Okay, yes. Now the second one also, and use any kind of screwdriver you can use. Yes, just try it. And that's okay, yes. And this plate also, and there is a screw also, yeah, present. And now input this plate here. Yes, this is plate. The screwdriver is also present, and just tight this. Just tight this. You can use any screwdriver here, and just use any screwdriver, and just try it. Yes, use screwdriver and just tight it. Okay, that's all. Now just now my monitor is totally ready, and now I have to input my adapter and HDMI cable. Through this way I will now connect with it with my, and you can see it's a adapter. Yeah, now I'm going to connect it with my laptop. Yeah, yes, now adapter I just connect. Yes, HDMI cable, you can see properly, it's a HDMI cable, and through this way you can it is totally visible 2K and 4K display also. And now, and this way you just help me. Yes, okay, this way you can connect with the HDMI cable with this monitor. Now just use this, just use it. Yes, yeah. And now I'm going to connect it with my laptop HDMI cable. Now you can see properly is a laptop HDMI cable, and now I'm going to connect this with my laptop, this monitor with my laptop HDMI cable. And yes, just connect this, just press the power button. Now you can press the power. Yes, now you can see it is a display here. It is a no signal, please check your connection. Yeah, it's saying okay. Now I have to input my HDMI cable with my laptop here. Yes, HDMI cable, just connect this with my laptop. And yes, it is a laptop HDMI cable, you can see properly. Yes, just connect. Yes, help me, just input this. Yes, okay, now you can see my laptop display will transfer from here to there. Okay, now my laptop is on, and you can see its display will transfer from here to there. Yeah, now you can see There's a display is transfer from my laptop. Yes, my display is transfer from my laptop from in this monitor, and now you can see it's a picture quality. It's a HD display, but my laptop is full HD display, and you can see it is a full HD display in my laptop. And now I'm going to play some video, 2K and 4K video also. Yes, my net connection is not well, that's why I can't play with the 4K video also, but I will try. Properly. If you not subscribe my channel in YouTube, you can subscribe. There is a current technical news. Just write down current technical news and you will subscribe my channel. And just 4K video also I can found in Cherry. Just go to Cherry. Okay, here is Cherry. 4K video I can find easily. I can find here easily. 4K video, yes. Now I can play 4K video, not Cherry. 4K video. Just play 4K. Yes, 4K Ultra HD. Yes, that's good. Yes, this 4K video now I can play in my laptop, and also this display will be transfer this monitor also. And yes, now you can see it's 2K, and now I'm going to transfer it's 4K. Yes, now you can see it's 4K. Yes, my net connection is not well, that's why it's a 4K display. I just transfer it's 4K. Yes, just now transfer the monitor. Now you can see it's a picture quality. Yes, this is the its picture quality. Yeah, absolutely good, very good picture quality. I'm getting some lag for my net connections here, and okay, it's getting few lag in my net connection. Okay, just transfer it from 4K to 2K. For my net connection is not present well, and that's why I'm transferring it to 4K to 2K. And now you can see properly. Yes, and this is picture quality. Now you can see its picture quality is here properly. It's totally vivid picture quality. Totally vivid. It's totally vivid picture quality. It's here. You can easily use it to edit your video also, and yes, totally vivid picture quality. Picture quality is very great. Hello friends, now I think you understand its picture quality, and you saw its picture quality and its unboxing video also. You can use it to edit your video for YouTube and other purpose. It is very useful, and I just play 2K and 4K video also. Actually my net is not working while I'm trying to play 4K video at that time. That's why I'm getting some slowness, and you can easily play 4K and 2K video. You can edit also 2K and 4K video. So please like and share this video with your friend. And if you not subscribe my channel till now, why? Just subscribe my channel. If the subscribe button is red till now, just press the subscribe button. Hope to meet with you in my next interesting video. So today is okay. Goodbye. Take care. Tata.